Hello, I just got my June 2016 Fiberista Club package in the mail today. Let's see what I got. Smells good. Alright, smells like black tea. Something else in it. I'm not sure. I got tea, evidently. Ooh, this yarn is very pretty. I hope that the camera is picking up all the subtle little changes in this collaring. That's very pretty. Sock yarn, hedgehog fibers, hand-dyed yarn, and peasant. It's 90% superwash merino, 10% nylon, hand-dyed, using wash fast and light fast dyes, machine washable. May bleed for the first couple of washes. Made in Ireland. That is really cool. It's very, very pretty. It feels nice too. And let me see what it says about this. So it's about 437 yards. Of course, if you want to sit and read that, you can pause it. I looked over the card before. It doesn't say what type of tea this is or give any special directions for it, but it smells good. Alright, this is a short one. Beautiful yarn. Feels really nice. It's made in Ireland. It's got these different shades of like red and like an orangish red, and it gets to like almost like a pink in there too. So I think this will actually work out very, very pretty. But that's all I've got for this video. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.